study biology. I am Himanshu. In front of you in the second lecture of component of cell. So in this lecture we are talking about this component of cell and other component of cell that include nucleic acid, protein, carbohydrates and lipids. So this is the structure of a simple eukaryotic cell. In this we are saying nucleus, nuclear membrane, cell membrane and cytoplasm. So now we are talking about the nucleus. So nucleus is the central part of the cell. It carry the information that are necessary for the life process of the cell. It carry information in chemical form. So the chemical form is, the chemical form here is gene. These genes are linearly arranged on the chromosome and these are thread-like structure. So these genes carry that information and process it from offspring to the parents. And in this nucleus, various other spherical structures are also present. These spherical structures are known as nucleolus. And these special structures are known as nucleolus. These nucleolus are embedded in a fluid matrix known as nucleoplasma. And the function of the nucleoplasma, it carries various enzyme, protein and gene information which are required for the life process of the cell and is passed from offspring to the parents. So and this nucleoplasma, it's covered by a double membrane structure, nuclear membrane. So now we completed with nucleus and nuclear membrane. Now we are talking about the cell membrane. So this cell membrane is a double membrane structure. It is selectively permeable. Selectively permeable means it's selectively controlled in and out of various protein solutes through the cell. And this cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is formed on framework of fat-based molecule. These fat-based molecules are known as phospholipid. These phospholipid are hydrophilic molecule. Hydrophilic molecule means they are water-loving molecules. And these are water-loving molecule. And in this cell membrane, various membrane protein are also present. So the function of this membrane protein is they act as an gatekeeper in the cell. And we are completed with cell membrane. Now talking about the cytoplasma. So this cytoplasma is a water-based molecule. It is a fluid matrix present outside the nucleus and inside the cell. In this fluid matrix, various membrane-bound organisms are embedded. So now we are completed with the component of cell. Now talking about the other component of cell. So in cell, nearly 70% of water is present and 30% are chemical. These chemicals include 50% protein, 4% small molecules, 6% RNA, 2% phospholipid hydrophilic molecules, 1% DNA and 2% polysaccharide carbohydrate. So now we are talking about the nucleic acid. This nucleic acid divided into two parts, DNA and RNA. So the function of DNA here is act as an information storage. It stores the information that is passes from generation to generation. And the function of RNA is to express the information that is present on the DNA. So here is the nucleic acid complete. Now we are talking about in cell there are many in cell many protein are also present to the function of DNA and RNA. These proteins are made up of a small unit known as amino acid. So after this, the carbohydrate. So there are two types. These carbohydrate are organic molecule present in the cell. There are two types of carbohydrate present in the cell. First is simple carbohydrate. So these simple carbohydrate provide the immediate source of energy to the cell, and second is complex carbohydrate. So these complex carbohydrate act as an intracellular energy storage. These complex carbohydrates are present on the cell surface, so they are help in cell recognition and they relay in the signal within the cells. So we are talking about the carbohydrate, lipid. So and this carbohydrate and lipid. So in earlier time, the cell is just simply sac-like structure and is made up of RNA material only. So as over time as evolutions occur, the function of RNA material previously is catalytic function and information storage function. So over time this information storage function is take up by the DNA, and this catalytic function is taken up by the protein in the cells. So Thank you friends. This is our overview of component of cells and other component of cell. Thank you. Subscribe and comment my channel.